How to install Tivimate on LG Smart Television 2025. If you search for Tivimate on your LG Content Store and found nothing, you're not alone. Most people get confused here, but the reason is simple. Tivimate is not officially supported on LG Weebos. But don't click away yet. There's a reliable workaround that works perfectly in 2025. Look, Smart Jeffs run Weebos, not Android. Tivimate is an Android app, so it can't be installed directly. The solution is to use an external Android streaming device. First, connect an Android TVision box, Fire TV in Stick or Chromecast with Google TVision to your LG TVision using HDMI. Once connected, switch your television input to that HDMI port. Now, on your Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for Tivimate. Install the app like you normally would. If it's not available in your region, you can sideload it using the Downloader app. Once installed, open Tivimate and set up your IPSAVE playlist using your provider's WooLink or StreamCode's login. The interface is smooth, fast and optimized for TVision remotes. Here's what surprises most users. Your LG TVision becomes the perfect screen while the Android device handles everything else. No performance loss, no hacks, and no risk to your TVision. In 2025, this is the safest and most stable way to use Tivimate on an LG Smart Television. If this guide saved you hours of frustration, subscribe for more clear streaming solutions that actually work.